my name's Steve. This is Linda.
My name's Peter and I live in Brooklyn.
I'm Jan. I'm up in Custer, South Dakota.
My name's Brad. I'm in Bloomington, Indiana.
Hi, I'm Greg. I live in Seattle.
I came across Warmboard on the internet, and when I got to learning more about it, it was something that definitely checked all my boxes on what I wanted to accomplish.
I wanted to be able to heat, say, in our family room and not necessarily have to heat the bedrooms or her office or the bathrooms.
We saw Warmboard as a system that could accomplish the structure and the heating.
I like the concept of it. I like the design of it. The fact that we had somebody representing Warmboard right here in our own backyard really convinced me that that was the way to go.
Everybody else I talked to, you know, they picked out their boiler. You had just a lot of different elements, and this was a design system all in one, which I think it just was so much simpler, so much more efficient, and easier on the installation.
We decided that Warmboard just seemed to be head and shoulders above all the others.
So I came across the Warmboard comfort system that we could put on top of the concrete, and then it ran at a lower temperature than what I had been used to.
Everyone at Warmboard made it so easy to just submit our plans and then get back a full engineering spec, and whatever questions or anything we had, someone always got back to us right away.
I really enjoyed working with your team. They answered all my questions. They were very attentive, the follow-up, all the way through the design and installation.
It went smooth as can be. We sent Warmboard our house plans. They did the layout for all the Warmboard flooring. We got the plans back, and the carpenters that installed it had no problems at all putting it down.
We've used radiant systems in the past, but we've found that the Warmboard system is offering a more consistent heat than what we've experienced in the past. It has offered a one-stop shop in that they provide engineering, they provide the boiler, they provide the panels, the tubing, the controls. It all comes packaged, integrated.
The customer support was pretty amazing. From the engineering up front to the continued support, Sal's been incredible, help to us, answering all our questions, and we had many. And it was just a great experience from the beginning to end, how the material arrived, how it was packed, the communication, and the support afterwards to make sure things were running as we expected.
I worked with my GC, and the feedback there was easy to install. Really appreciated the details and the planning.
It was very, very easy to work with. The engineering staff was always ready to answer my questions, return the calls in a timely fashion, and I couldn't be more happy with the Warmboard system.
We had a really comfortable house where the regular rooms were nicely warm, the not so regular rooms were comfortably warm. The bathrooms were really good. The constant warm floor system in our main bathroom, well, we still love it.
It's a great product. I'm very, very happy with the service that I've been getting on any issues, and there have been very few issues. So it's just been a wonderful thing, a wonderful experience.
Super excited about the Warmboard installation. We just hooked it up. It's already 74 degrees.
The control over the system, the simple controls, the warmth on the feet, the lack of the space drying out was just phenomenal. Warm feet, cool head, the evenness of the heat.
It's just a real comfortable heat.
And we really enjoy being on the tile floors, especially during the winter with the warming feature is really nice.
It's just so nice not having allergy problems with air being blown on my face during the night. And so it's much more efficient cost-wise because you're not heating your whole house every time you turn the furnace on.
The winter of 23-24 was the first whole winter we lived here, and we spent $2,300 on propane, which heats the Warmboard system. Plus, it also included my cooktop, the little gas fireplace that we use, and the house is 3,800 square feet, plus the 50 by 50 garage, we keep that heated at 50 degrees. So we thought that was very efficient.
we are getting lower heating costs, notwithstanding the fact that the price of gas has actually, continues to go up, but we're still seeing discounted bills.
I don't know, it's just something that you would really want to give to your family and give to yourself. It's like a luxury, like a treat.
I really think it's a good system.
And you don't realize how much the furnace noise is in your life until you're without it.
This system so far to date is performing beyond our expectations.
The result is so out of this world comfortable that anybody who comes into my house is immediately taken with it, and they understand why I did this.
I think I would recommend this system to anybody.
I just couldn't be happier with the system. To walk out in 20 below temperatures and walk around in my house in bare feet, be comfortable, you won't regret it.